hydrogen water.
Hi, I'm Carina. Yeah, I have installed Hydromi this Tuesday. Yeah, when after Monday I received the items, and then Tuesday night, right, I start to drink a lot of hydrogen water, and on the Wednesday, the next day itself, right, I find that very early 10 p.m. I already find very tired. And whereby my situation is like that for the past few months, right? I have sleep very few hours, estimately 5 hours, and sleep very late and wake up very early due to reason I need to cook. And then also I think my mind is active, a lot of things in my mind. I need to accomplish a lot of things. So after I drink this hydrogen water, and it started, my body felt tired early, and I'm able to sleep very well and early, and wake up at 5 without any problem lah. And then I think on the next day, Thursday, yesterday itself, at 5 p.m. right, I already started to feel very tired, and I sleep through until 11:30, and I wake up and do some checking my messages as usual lah, and reply some messages. At 12:30 I sleep it back, and then I'm able to sleep through soundly until 7 a.m. this morning, meaning I have slept through almost more than 12 hours, and very surprisingly, and I don't feel any problem for the past few months. When I sleep very few hours, I still very active and healthy. But after I drink this hydrogen water, I believe the body is need repairing or some healing. That's why after drinking this water, I can sleep well, and I can sleep early and sleep soundly, and I felt very refreshed after I wake up. Yeah, this is my testimony.